I'm Trawler Specialist Mark Pittman. Today I'm in Deltaville, Virginia aboard Ursa Major, 1988 Kadey Krogen 54 motor sailor. I'm with the two owners here, Bella and Eva. They're going to be helping me give a tour of the boat today. Ursa Major is 54 feet 5 inches length overall. She's got a 17-foot beam, powered by twin Ford Lehman 135 horsepower engines, and a lot of great features. Ursa Major underwent a major refit just a few years ago. I'm really excited to show you guys this boat. Come along with me as we go through her, and I'll show you everything that she has to offer. Moving along the starboard side decks here, beautiful teak floors. The windows are nice and bedded, beautiful painted frames. The cap rails towards the aft of the boat have been painted over with white all grip just to help lessen the maintenance. It looks very good. Just a couple of steps up, the pilot house is off to my left and the bow is straight forward. Moving up towards the bow of Ursa Major, you can see we've got her offshore cruising tender up here on the bow. There's a beautiful crane mounted here to help it get over to the port side. Custom winch drum right here with 175 feet of half-inch chain, along with the Maxwell 3500 windlass. Rock nut anchors, a beautiful teak bowsprit here. The varnish on the cap rails has been really well maintained. The owners have done an excellent job with it. Here's the forward mast. The sails look beautiful on this boat. Just a lot of really great features here. You can see the slope to the bow of the Krogen 54 that helps shed water in rough seas. Just a lot of great features. The classic lines of the Kadey Krogen simply never do get old. From the pilot house to the boat deck, up just a couple of stairs. A huge expansive space here. There's lots of extra lines here on these drums. A wonderful place to sit outside and have your dinner. The current owners, they do have some outdoor seating that they'd love to put up here. Up on top of the pilot house here, there are two solar panels. They are managed by a complete Victron system. Flybridge is here, center of the boat, full electronics array, Garmin autopilot, weather indicators, and also a beautiful iPad mount. Nice mount here for the Starlink antenna. A few steps on this ladder down go towards the aft cockpit. Just a great wide space. Krogen really took the opportunity to utilize all 17 feet of the beam on the 54. Just a great place to hang out and enjoy time at sea. Now here we are in the aft cockpit aboard Ursa Major. If you look back here along the transom here, you can see we have a beautiful canoe stern. Krogen 54 does phenomenal in a following seat. Moving over here, this is a really cool feature as well, is a folding gangplank. Now this gangplank pulls up and runs flush here to the hull of the boat. But when you're at a dock or if you're loading or unloading the dinghy, it's just a great place to mount and dismount. It actually, whenever you're at a floating dock, the level is what you would say perfect, which is not a word you hear too often in the boating world. But beautiful teak floors, lazarette, nice spacious lazarette down below. A ladder with a couple of teak stairs moving up towards the boat deck. Coming into the boat, into the salon here, through the double teak doors, it's a very, very, very spacious salon. You've got a bench settee further forward up against the galley bar, two sitting chairs. Access to the engine room is down below the carpet. And speaking of below the carpet, the original parquet floors are in excellent condition. You've got two windows to the port, two windows to the starboard as well, one of which opens up. Moving forward here, you're going to have the galley. Now, this is a great galley for prepping food, just hanging out your morning breakfast time. Lots of storage space, lots of counter space for prep work. You've got your NovaCool refrigerators, two NovaCool refrigerators, another fridge here with a stainless steel, fresh new backsplash, a Force 10 propane stainless steel stove, bronze opening port lights, GE microwave, double basin sink. You're not leaving any compromises behind when it comes to cooking for your friends. Coming down just a couple of steps from the salon, we're going to enter the hallway for the main living quarters, and then to starboard there, the master stateroom. Now, the master stateroom here is midship, which translates to a lot less movement while underway. You've got a beautiful vanity here, great cabinet storage here, nice dresser that also serves as a nightstand, various coat hooks, again with this fiberglass headliner, I guess you could say it appropriately. Queen size bed with storage underneath. There's another sliding closet here, sliding doors. Coming into the master head, the current owners opted to get rid of the bathtub and put in a full shower. And guys, look at this. I'm 6'1", about 215 pounds. You can see how much space is in here. I can almost stretch my arms all the way across. One thing I hear a lot is everybody gripes about the showers on a lot of these boats. And I'll tell you, this just is a no compromise bathroom aboard the Kadey Krogen 54. Continuing our journey forward towards the living quarters, you've got one of the two guest bunks here to port. This is a double bunk setup. The top bunk does fold down to stow away. There's a beautiful desk here for those who are still working. It's a great setup for you to work remote. Hanging locker, additional storage here, LED reading lights with 12-volt fans, carbon monoxide alarm, fire extinguisher, parquet floors. Moving forward to the bow, the forward stateroom. It's a slightly wider mattress, probably a little more comfortable. It's got more fans, more LED reading lights. Here's the anchor locker forward. This area is air conditioned, climate controlled, so that's fantastic. Bronze port lights here for getting the breeze that you need to stay comfortable. Just a really great setup on the Kadey Krogen 54. All right, coming up from the salon to the pilot house. Bella and Eva will tell you this is a very comfortable spot. There is a nice settee aft of the pilot house here that does convert into a beautiful watch berth, very comfortable watch berth. Very nice station right here, full Garmin electronic suite. You got your video gauges, standard horizon, VHF, various alarms, instruments. Just a great spot to be underway. This helm chair, very comfortable. You got a bow thruster control, your Naiads fin stabilizers, power control panel, lots of storage, great place to spread your maps out, your charts while underway. The pilot house in the Kadey Krogens just always fascinate me as a very well thought out and intentional build. All right, here we are in the engine room aboard the Krogen 54. We got twin Lehman 135s. Now, a lot of these boats were built with single screws. I think they were Lehman 225s. This boat came with the twins, so it makes it a lot more maneuverable around dock spaces. Victron Energy over there in the corner, a lot of fuel management system on here. Cruise air conditions further aft. There's a kilopack generator aft as well. The engine room, although not fully stand up, and not stand up at all for that matter, but there's still plenty of room down here to get around and get anything you need done. I don't think you find a much better engine room than Ursa Major. We've had a great day aboard Ursa Major. If you would like more information, please visit our website at www.bluewatercruisingboats.com. You may also reach me by my cell phone, email, or my Instagram, which will be posted below in the description. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you.